Yeah, I met him at the dean's office. He's having some problems. Doesn't look too good. Really?
Y'all hear him snoring?
How they were breaking up.
He is snoring like a grown ass man. Listen.
But the more he said about her, the more I knew. He didn't know what he had. And I had to meet her. Because she sounded like such a find.
Damn, Myra. Give the child some room to breathe.
Nora, what a surprise.
I should go. Can I give you a call later?
Yeah.
It's all right.
Miles.
Oh, God.
He done stop snoring now.